Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, an active Google account, and if required, an approved Earth Engine access request. Once you have those, open the Earth Engine code editor and click the Sign In button. Choose the Google account you want to link. Make sure it's the one approved for Earth Engine. You'll be prompted to grant permissions. This allows the editor to access your account for maps and assets. Follow the on-screen consent steps, then proceed to the next configuration actions. Once signed in, you must authorize permissions so Earth Engine can read and write assets on your behalf. When the OAuth dialog appears, review scopes and tap Allow. This step ensures scripts can access data and run tasks. If asked, enable the Earth Engine API in the linked Google Cloud project to run remote processing. This is necessary for programmatic access. After granting permissions, check that your account name appears in the editor's top right. That visual confirmation means authentication succeeded, and you can run example scripts. To finish, run a basic example script that lists a public dataset or prints your asset route. This validates both authentication and API access. Make sure the Assets panel displays your uploads so you know permissions and project linkage work. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Common fixes include signing in via an incognito window, clearing browser cookies, or switching browsers. Also verify you use the approved Google account. These steps resolve most permission and caching issues quickly, so you can continue working.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.